Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dark Gaming. So today's video is going to be another how to do or how to watch video. So today, many of you guys have like one question, like if you want to watch any Netflix shows, for free, because Netflix subscription is very costly. It's like what for mobile it's 200 rupees per month, and for laptop and TV it is about 600 500 rupees per month. So it's quite costly and not everyone can afford it, to be very honest. Like even I don't have a Netflix account. So I have one recommendation for guys who want to watch free Netflix shows. So you just need to go to Google Chrome, and first of all I'm telling you this is completely legal and completely safe. No jailbreaking or stuff. It's like very good, and the video resolution is also good. So what you need to do, you just need to go and type soap today. The link will be in the description below also. So you just need to go here. Don't click on any other thing, just go to soapgate.org. See, it will be written welcome soap today. You just open it, then just click on any of these links here, any of them, anyone will work, not a problem. But usually I open with the first one, so it is convenient. All the links lead to the same place. Here you will find the interface, and then yeah, everything you can find here, all the latest movies, not only Netflix but like everything, like Peacock TV, like Netflix, everything, Amazon Prime, all those English, all those Hollywood movies and web series. So like as you can see, you will find A Quiet Place Part 2, The Ice Road, Spirit Untamed, Infinite, In the Heights, False Positive, etc, etc. I watched Fatherhood and Wrath of a Man, so the quality was good. You had subtitles. So also if you want to watch Friends and you are a big fan of it, but you need a Netflix account, here you go, you also have Friends. So you just click on Friends. Here you have all the episodes. Everything is available here from season 1 to season 10, all the episodes, everything, and the quality is also good. It has sub captions, the subtitles it has. So just go back. If you want to watch Manifest, like I did the full whole 3 seasons, I'm waiting for more, but yeah, this also has got subtitles and all, everything is here. You want to search anything, just search it here. Like if you want to like watch some Netflix movies, like To All the Boys, I Still Love You, you just write To All the Boys, it will like catch it up, and see, you will get all the 3 movies. To All the Boys, Always and Forever, To All the Boys, PS, I Still Love You, and To All the Boys, I Have Loved Before. So yeah, all the 3 movies are here. So everything you will find it here. New movies, they are released, but they sometimes take some time. Like for F9, it's gonna take some more time, although it's released all over the world, but it's gonna take some more time to be released here, so you can watch it for free. And everything is here for like very secured manner. So as you can see, I'm opening Friends right now. Just I'm watching the pilot episode, the first episode. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just gonna give you a demonstration on how it is. So it will show up, and just like this. Yeah, this is what you can do. This is what you can watch. Yeah. This is the Friends you can watch. I'm just going to reduce the volume a bit. You have captions and all, as you can see.
I haven't been able to perform.
Everything is available here.
TV? What did you get?
So yeah, Joey and Ross is there. So yeah, this was just a demonstration of how it works. Everything you will find it here. As you can see, recommendation, the Croods, the New Age, Sonic the Hedgehog, Spies in Disguise, everything is Addams Family. Anything you want, you can search it here. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, you have it. You just name it, you will get it here. Everything, Big Bang Theory, you want it, you have it. You just search it here. If you don't find it on the main page, just search it here, you will find it. New Amsterdam, you can get it here. Everything is here. All of them have subtitles, although some web series, they don't have subtitles, like the Big Bang Theory. Some few episodes or few seasons do not have subtitles, but the audio is crisp and clear, so not a problem. So you can also have Hulu shows here, like see Hulu, False Positive. So yeah, iCarly, the new one, the iCarly revival, it's here. TVD is here. Vampire Diaries, Criminal Minds is here. SWAT is here. Everything you want, you have it here. So yeah, this was the website I wanted to talk to you guys about. So it is completely free, it's completely safe, it's completely legal, no jailbreak, nothing, not an torrent or something. It's completely safe. Just follow the website, don't go to any other website, you know, which have the name Soap Today, which I showed you. Just go there and it's very good. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video really helped you. Please go smash the subscribe button and like this video, and it will be very helpful for me. Please support me. I'm small YouTuber, as you know, not very subscribers. So yeah, please smash the like button and subscribe, and comment down what type of how to do videos you want in the future. So yeah, today's video I'm going to be ending on this note. Thank you. Bye bye.